Hello. Good afternoon. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, my fellow Bobcats. My name is Harry. I am currently a RCO intern for the Office of Student Involvement. And today we will be diving into the topic in which case, if your event's denied, how would you go back and re edit it and resubmit it? So today I'm using my own account for demonstration purposes, so bear in mind. And now, as you can see, we are on the homepage of CatLife. In order to see your past submissions for events specifically, go ahead and click on the right hand corner. And if you're not logged in, it'll say sign in. So keep in mind that, sign in before you can view your submissions. And as I am already signed in, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a click. And out of all these menu options, we're going to click on submissions. As you can see, the current tab is on the forms submissions. I have all my forms submitted or in progress, and we're gonna go to the events tab right here. Give that a click. As you all can see, these are the events that you may have submitted for your organizations. Yours probably will look a lot more different than mine, but the top one, as you can see, it is denied. That's not what we want to see. So if we click on this event, we'll be able to edit this event. And let's see. Right here, it says denied. And usually when we review these events, we will leave a comment or a suggestion on how to reorganize this event submission to make it approvable or things along those lines. So when we want to resubmit and update our form, we're going to go ahead and click on the blue button, resubmit, on the right hand side. And this is the event title. And as you all probably saw earlier, that the reason why it was denied, it was simply due to the fact that the description of the event isn't really descriptive or didn't give much detail. And that's something we're going to be looking out for. I'm going to go ahead and paste this right here. We have a nice and improved, detailed, comprehensive description right here, even including the Zoom link. So go ahead and fix whatever it is that the comment suggests, and we can move forward with this. Make sure to review all your information and understand that it's up to date and correct. I'm currently reviewing mine. Looks good. Click on next button. There we go. This also looks good. Next button. Just gonna speed through these because I already reviewed it beforehand, made sure everything was good. And once again, this is a section where you can upload a cover photo for your event to give it more of a visual effect. Since I don't have a picture for today, I'm gonna go ahead and skip this option. Go ahead and click on next on this. Next again. Next again. And when you have reviewed all your information and make sure everything's correct, you can go ahead and take the opportunity to submit this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And there we go. That's how we can go back into our event, review it, make sure everything's correct, and according to the instructions left by the reviewers, the event reviewers that is, we can go ahead and move on with the approval process. So now all we can do is wait and see what happens next. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to go back to your event and re-edit it or update it. And if it's denied, how to improve upon it and make the necessary adjustments. Thank you guys for joining me. My name is Harry once again. And if you have any more questions, comments, or concerns, don't hesitate to email us at clubsandorgs@ucmerced.edu or directly reach out to our program coordinator, Haley Montoya, and her email address is hmontoya2@ucmerced.edu. Thank you, everyone. Have a great rest of your days.